I'm going to show you exactly how to create a mini box in Canva using a simple step-by-step method. This is perfect for small gifts, party favors, or creative packaging. And you can do this even if you're a beginner in Canva. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create, then choose Custom Size at the bottom. Now what you want to do is input the correct height and width for your mini box. To show you how it works, let's create a medium-sized mini box with 5 inches on each side. That means we'll need 17.5 inches for the width and 25.5 inches for the height of the canvas. Once you've entered those dimensions, click Create New Design. When your blank canvas opens, go to Elements on the left-hand panel. You'll need 2 shapes, a square or rectangle, and a trapezoid. Click on each shape and they'll automatically appear on your canvas. Next, remove the fill color of each shape using the color picker. Then add a border to both shapes so you can clearly see the outlines. After that, duplicate the square outlines and arrange them to form a cross shape. This layout will become the main structure of your box. Once your cross is complete, resize the trapezoids and attach them to the outer edges of the squares. These will act as the folding tabs that you'll use to assemble the entire box together. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now have a simple mini box template created entirely in Canva that's ready to print, cut, and assemble. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.